Reflection is something that you see in the mirror.
I found it!
Robot.
Holy cow! How did he do that so quickly? Did you put your toys away? I know this one! I know this one! I know this one!
She's racing around like a wild cat.
Got it. You need to set
The table first. No.
Wait a
No.
Yeah.
Wait.
Did I miss a
Phone call.
phone call? Oh yes, phone call.
Leprechaun's sneaky now, isn't she?
The
The rugs.
rugs need to be vacuumed. Which one's mine? Which one's mine? Mine. Yours.
What'd you get?
I don't know, but I got a cool bag. Kristen, I insist you open yours first.
I think you do. See, leprechaun.
That's all you got?
I don't mind you, so.
OMG! OMG! Gasp! Hello, beautiful. Work it. OMG! Oh, and of course, last but not least,
One's cake.
you got one thing.
Leprechaun strikes again.
He gives me the perfect bag.